Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the RACI chart and its pivotal role in Lean Six Sigma. Imagine you're part of a dynamic project team. Everyone has unique skills, and the project's success hinges on clear roles and responsibilities. That's where the RACI chart steps in. RACI stands for Responsible, Accountable, Consulted, and Informed. It's a straightforward tool that clarifies who does what in a project. Let's break it down. First, responsible. These are the team members who do the work. They're hands-on, executing tasks to move the project forward. Next, accountable. This is the person ultimately answerable for the project's success or failure. They supervise and make sure things are on track. Then comes consulted. These individuals provide the necessary information and insights. They're typically experts whose guidance is crucial for informed decisions. Finally, informed. These stakeholders are kept updated on progress and outcomes, but aren't directly involved in the day-to-day task. The beauty of a RACI chart is its simplicity and clarity. It helps avoid role confusion, overlaps, and gaps in responsibility, fostering a collaborative environment. For Lean Six Sigma practitioners, this tool is indispensable. It aligns seamlessly with the core principles of eliminating waste and streamlining processes. By precisely defining roles, the RACI chart aids in efficient communication, minimization of bureaucracy, and swift decision-making. Let's consider a simple example. Imagine a Six Sigma project to reduce errors in a production line. A team member responsible for data collection details the cycle time. The project manager, who is accountable, ensures that the analysis aligns with organizational goals. The quality expert consulted offers insights on data interpretation, while the operations head is informed about progress. Ultimately, the RACI chart empowers teams to optimize their resources and enhance productivity, embodying the ethos of Lean Six Sigma. It's not just about completing a project, it's about doing so efficiently and effectively. This concludes today's video. Please visit our channel and explore our other videos on the essential tools needed for a successful Lean Six Sigma project. On behalf of the Infinilean team, thank you for watching. If you found this helpful video, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights into Lean Six Sigma. See you on the flip side.